While we're driving around looking for rhinos, Chandler is actually in the sky.
I'm literally flying around in a helicopter in search of these rhinos that we were trying to rescue.
Typically, the stronger rhinos would just scare away the weaker ones. But since the reservation is surrounded by anti-poaching fences, the weaker rhinos have nowhere to go, so they end up killing each other.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is why we're gonna put them to sleep and then transport them to a plot of land that can be their own territory, where they're not getting bullied out of all the food and water, and they can actually grow big and strong.
Jimmy, come in. We found the rhinos.
We found the rhinos. Let's rescue them, baby.
All right, he's got a rhino. Go, go, go.
I got the tranquilizer.